This afternoon gave Mr. Southwell's lawyer a chance to put forward his defence. The 63-year-old has acknowledged he knew 4 of the 5 complainants and that he had met them whilst working as a security officer at a local estate and as a volunteer at St. John Ambulance, but has said the relationships were that of a mentor or friend. Mr. Robert Fishel KC raised the topic of refurbishment works at the location where some of the alleged offences took place. Mr. Fishel asked Mr. Southwell if after the works had been completed he had any cause to go to the management office, to which the defendant replied, "No, I believe I no longer lived there when handover was made." At this point, his lawyer reminded him that in the agreed facts of the trial, he was still a security officer 4 years after the management office had been moved. Eventually, the 63-year-old admitted he didn't remember the year he left his post as a security officer. At this point, Mr. Fishel told the court he wasn't taking the matter any further. The focus then shifted to Mr. Southwell's role in the community service project, where he supervised prisoners carrying out the community service order. Chief Justice Anthony Dudley inquired about the additional tasks Southwell claims his boss had assigned to him. The defendant explained that the workers were lazy, but Justice Dudley replied, "Isn't it their job and point of the order for them to do it?" Mr. Fishel again signalled he was moving on from this line of questioning. Finally, the defendant was asked if it was permitted to take a child to the management office and if he ever took a child to the management office, to which he said no. Since day one, Graham Southwell has categorically denied all the allegations made by the 5 complainants. The trial will continue on Tuesday, with closing arguments by the Crown.